Hello! I am here to do an unboxing. I made an order with Vestiaire Collective. If you don't know who they are, it's a designer consignment store online. People sell from around the world. You can also choose to pay $10–15 extra so they can have your items sent to the Vestiaire Collective warehouse, where they have people authenticate what you purchased and make sure that it matches the description on the page. Enough chit chat, and let's get to unboxing. Here's my box. I'm so excited. And toss that aside. That box, like the box alone is amazing. But can you guess which design I got from the Gucci Disney collection? They're so pretty. These are beautiful. I got it for about 60 to 70% off retail price, and they're brand new. And I was able to negotiate down the price with the person. And when you sign up for Vestiaire Collective, your first order comes with a $30 off discount. So this was an absolute excellent price and find. Here's the other side. Beautiful. And they come with extra laces. Here. I went to the Gucci store to try them on in the size smaller. I wear size 9, and that's about a 39. So I tried on the 38s because that's what I kept seeing a deal on Vestiaire Collective, and I heard that people size down in these sneakers also, so I wanted to make sure that I can fit into a 38, and I did. It fit perfectly, and these sneakers are so comfortable, and I'm so excited I managed to snag these, and they go with my shirt. I'm gonna wear these with everything. I love the smooth leather in the back, because the scaled ones that usually come with the ace, at least the one with the butterfly on the side, they seem to flake after a while. I am so excited for the smooth ones. There's my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to check out that website. They have very good deals. If you like more videos like this, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.